Manuelos here with Precision Calibration and Repair, and this is your Mad Metrology Minute. And by the way, anything you need calibration and repair, you call me, I'll come pick up, not a problem at all. PCR, been around since the 80s. Okay, what we're going to talk about today is going to be the CDRP by PMC. Anyone watching this video is familiar with the MRP, which is here. Now, we know the problems with the MRP. There's 8 different knobs here in order to loosen up your blocks here. Also, another problem has been on your indicators, these Bitotoyo indicators, you have 2 pieces here. So as we know, sometimes this will come loose and there's a problem there. Alright, CDRP has improved that, because now instead of all these pesky knobs, all you do is do that. Bingo and bingo. This is with an Allen wrench, and then you're loose. You're good to go, and that's all you have to do. Makes it a lot easier. And then you have 2 at the end. Again, makes it very easy. And on top of that, look at this. On your indicators, it said you got 1 solid piece. So again, makes it a lot, you're not going to have that situation where your base is broken off and you have to weld it or whatever you have to do to try and keep it together. Now we are a Mitutoyo distributor too, so if you do need the Mitutoyo indicator, not a problem at all. Oh, and one more thing. The best thing about this is not only is it made better than the MRP, the CDRP is 10% lower. So it's 10% lower price. Hey guys, if I can help you with it, if you need a live demo, let me know. Otherwise, just issue some POs. If you need a quote, let me know. Hey, we'll talk soon.